Hey guys, it's Rachel here with Matthews Landscape. I'm an account manager, licensed horticulturist, and recently certified Louisiana native plant professional. I'm here to talk to you about a fun summertime flower that we love putting in our gardens. They're also great for containers and hanging baskets. This is Portulaca. It is a succulent, drought-tolerant, beautiful flowering plant. Can grow as a ground cover. Sometimes people will call it moss rose. It also has a cousin that is purslane, and it has tiny thread-like leaves instead of these large, flat, oval leaves. But they have huge pops of color that you can enjoy all in the heat of the summer. I even have a little buddy over here that's pollinating right now. That's how much our pollinators love these flowers. He flew all the way across the nursery to come find me. So they're an excellent choice for summer, great in your hanging baskets, rock gardens, anywhere that needs a little bit of color. Be sure to check out this low maintenance option for your garden.